Hello and welcome to another video. Today's one is a fairly easy DIY, removing the taillights from a Fiat Freemont, both the outer taillight on the body of the vehicle and the taillight extension on the tailgate. Starting us off, when we open our tailgate, on the inside of our outer taillight there will be two clips, which we will need to remove like so. Once you remove these two clips, surprisingly no other bolts or nuts hold this taillight in place. Remove both clips, the one at the top and the one at the bottom. Next, with a plastic tool, we're going to go in between the body of the vehicle and the taillight. We use plastic to not damage any paint in the process. Wriggle the taillight out, and then we'll need to detach the plugs for the light. Remove one. And generally you're supposed to push in and pull out, but this one was stuck in place. So first I removed the bulb with it completely because it was stuck in place. It's been on for such a long time. And then I'm going to detach the plug from the bulb. So this is one other way of doing this as well. If you get stuck there, as you can see, it was very dirty and stuck in place, and then you'll place the bulb back on, and that's how you remove the outer tail light. Next we have the taillight extension. When we open the tailgate, there's two 7mm nuts there. Remove them both. Again, with our plastic tool, we're going to go in between the light with the tailgate and gently wriggle it out. You do not want to force it out. Just wriggle it. It might not come out as easily as this, but with some patience, it would come out without any damage to the car or the taillight. Next, we're going to remove the plugs again, and they're the same idea as the outer taillight. This one came out a bit easier than the outer taillight. As you can see, you push in the clip, and then it should come out. As always, thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and most importantly, subscribe if you want to support the channel, and we will see you in upcoming videos.